What's that? Kennedy. Kennedy. What you talking about?
See you after all this time.
Yeah, Philly was. I mean, it was a long time there, but.
My child.
Me saying that day, so many things go through your mind. Second guessing yourself, maybe, maybe not. I felt like that little kid again, where it's like you did something bad and.
Can you come help me with this?
Yeah. Is it just gonna be me and Dad, or is?
Yeah, just the three of us. How's the baby?
He's getting big. I can't believe he's like almost a year old.
You're so silly.
Yeah, I do. It seems like yesterday. So I can't wait for you to have one now.
Yeah, I really want kids someday.
So what else is going on?
It's just